Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions now. Verify your VPN account status and server address so you're not chasing a wrong endpoint. Next, make sure your device has internet access. Check Wi-Fi or Ethernet and that you have a valid IP address. Once done, open the VPN client, confirm the latest version is installed, and load the correct configuration file. This prevents mismatches later. If any check fails, pause and fix that layer before proceeding to connection tests. You now run controlled tests and gather evidence to diagnose the issue. Attempt a connection and read the exact error message. Write down timestamps. Then enable verbose or debug logging in the client, reproduce the failure, and collect both client and system logs for the same time window. After that, switch the VPN protocol from UDP to TCP or vice versa, and try an alternate VPN server or another device. Doing this isolates whether the problem is protocol, server, or device. Finish by applying targeted fixes and confirming restoration of service. Update or reinstall the VPN client, correct any malformed config entries, and adjust local firewall or NAT rules to allow the chosen protocol and ports. Make sure DNS settings and split tunneling rules aren't blocking traffic. Once fixed, reconnect and run the same tests to confirm routes and DNS resolution are working. If the issue persists, escalate with the operator using the collected logs, exact error codes, timestamps, and the steps you already tried. That saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.